Chris.
I'm Tammy.
And I'm Cole.
Welcome to our car. We're headed to a pin event. We thought we'd take you guys with us. Hopefully you enjoy the event. So here we are on our way. We've got Tammy over here driving like a boss. And I'm riding in the car trying to do some last minute, if y'all can see there, some last minute pin preparations here in the books. I got Cole back here kind of going through his books and getting them in order. So we got Allison over here behind me. She's gotten her pins together already. And so she's just playing on her computer. And now we're on our 2.5 hour drive to our pin event. So we get here a little early every time so we can go to the Disney store. It's just right around the corner from the pin trading event. So we usually try and get here about an hour early so we can go to the Disney store and pick up any sale pins, which that's only happened a couple of times. But mainly we like to buy the shirts and the different hats and things. Like this hat I got last time for like $5. And so pretty good opportunity while we're in the area. So we'll take you guys in the store with us and show you a few things. So this is my favorite section. Check this out. $7.99 was originally $21.99. $5.99 was originally more than that. Didn't have the price. Here it is, the hat, same one I'm wearing. Originally $27.99. But here, they're running like $5, $5.99. These aren't priced anymore, but they were like $3.99 or $4.99. I almost bought this one last time. Radiator Springs, $6.99. But here's this one. I don't think we got this for Allie, did we? Busy Getting Dizzy, $5.99.
The first time I saw this, at first I thought, oh, that's a cool phone case. And then I realized how unfunctional this thing is. Imagine trying to put this in your pocket. Either way, you can't do it this way. Even this way, it's still, I think the ears would just completely break off. I also wanted to mention, this thing's $13. $13 for an unfunctional phone case. I just thought that was interesting.
So last time we were here, we got this coupon, 25% off your purchase. And it's valid during this visit. And they have all these pins, and it's good on all of these pins. The only pins it's not good on is the new Minnie's Main Attraction set. So it's not good on also the ones that are discounted down from the park, like this. And so this would not get a further discount. But I've tossed a couple in here I'm thinking about getting. So like these that are $10 would be $7.50. And then here's one, $19.99 would be down to $15. So that's pretty cool. So I'm thinking about getting them.
attraction set, and it's Pirates of the Caribbean. There's the pins. Here's the mug. It's a nice looking mug. I mean, very, very cutely themed. And then lastly, here's the plush.
We're leaving the Disney store now. Got lots of pins. A 25% off, sweet deal. We'll try and show you guys what we got here in just a little bit. So guys, as we're getting closer to the pin event, I thought it'd be fitting for us to tell you what a pin event is. And so this particular pin event we're going to is a pin trading event where we'll get together with other people that live here within the vicinity of Dallas, and they will bring their pins and we'll bring our pins. Sometimes there's other things people bring that are kind of Disney items that they might want to trade, and we'll all trade for, you know, different things that we might want. And so mainly it's pins, but every now and then somebody will bring like a Funko Pop or some other little item that's kind of collectible. So what we're going to do is take you guys to the pin event. It's held at the Fuddruckers near the Grapevine Mills Mall, and so we've been on the way there. We're about 20 more minutes away, and so we can't wait to see y'all. We've got our books ready full of pins. We're gonna go in there and see what we can do.
All right, so we're walking inside to go into the pin event right now, into Fuddruckers. So y'all come join us.
So we're here inside of Fuddruckers, and we're looking at some of these pins. Some of these are real cool. I like this Steamboat Willie right here. That's real cool. There you go. Oh, this is Finding Nemo. Real neat pin. It's cool. The Spider-Man pin right here. It's Miles Morales. It's cool. And if you've gone to Disney World, you may know about this pin. This pin is exceptionally hard to find because, and the winding to this Peter Pan is not very hard to find, which I find is very interesting. It's cool pins. Here is Elliot from Pete's Dragon. His hand moves up and down. That's real cool. Here's a We Want the Redhead pin. That's a real cool one. Here's another Steamboat Willie pin. Tailspin. It's cool. There's a really cool pass holder pin for Walt Disney World. This is a really cool Tinkerbell pin from Disneyland. Cool Fairy Tales pin. I believe that's Bruno, if I'm remembering correctly. These two are really cool pins. Really cool. It almost looks like a hidden Mickey, but I don't believe it is. So, I just traded a Hades pin that I had for this Frozen 2 pin. So that's real cool.
So here I am at the pin event, and I found the pin. I just didn't have enough to trade for it. So, you never know what you're going to find at a pin event.
Allison had gotten Mom and Dad a surprised pin, and they have not, and I made sure that Dad didn't know what pin it was. So now Allison's about to reveal what it is.
Anything from this.
Yes.
So.
Except for that it's Disney. Yeah. And it's got 2 bags. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't flick it off there.
got me this cool Wally pin. It's celebrating 10 years. I think it's called, I don't remember this exact scene, but it's the scene where Wally and them are going out in space and he gets the fire extinguisher and they're both flying. It's a really cool pin. It moves back and forth. So, it's a really cool pin. It's an LE. Thank you, Allison. So currently we are trading pins with somebody in the back of their car. So we hope to get a bunch of cool pins.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and get.
So here are the people's pins that we just traded with.
I got these.
That Toy Story pin is real cool.
Okay, so we're headed home. The pin event is over. We had to make another run back to Grapevine Mills Mall to buy some more stuff. Tammy, were you excited about our finds?
Yes.
We got some great shirts and things we're going to show you guys once we get home. It's just kind of getting dark, and so we want to get home for the dog. We don't want to leave him out too long.
Yeah.
We got Cole back there, and you saw Allison's arm. She's giving you a peace sign. Cole had a great day pin trading. Got him some new pins that are going to go in his collection. We also do. We'll put some pictures up with all that. Allison picked up some really sweet pins, and we'll share that with y'all. So right now we're going to head home, and we will let you guys see pictures of everything we got once we get there. Hey guys, we hope y'all enjoyed the trip to the pin event. We came home, went right to bed. We were so tired, but we want to share with you still the pins and the different things we picked up at the Disney store. And so I want to start with, we picked up a couple of packs of these, which we got from the Disney store for Allison and for ourselves. These were $14.95 with the 25% off. Then we got several of these autograph books. These were $9.99 originally, marked down to $1.99, and then 25% off the $1.99. And we picked up several of those to go in like fish extenders when we go on our cruise. And so those are super cool. And then we picked up these VHS pins that we got at the Disney store. And we bought 5, that we got 5 different ones while we were there, out of 7 that we bought. And then we traded for the Emperor's New Groove one while at the event. And then on top of that, we picked up some shirts. So I'm going to have my lovely model, Mr. Cole, take the opportunity to show you guys exactly the 2 shirts that we bought for either us or the kids. And so we're going to do that right now. So, Cole, here you go. You're going to wear your shirt. Here we go. That's a nice one.
Yeah, it shows the love, and it's Americana shirt.
After the discount, we were able to get our whole family one of these for $6 a piece. And we're going to wear these on our next trip to Disney. So super cool. And how about the next one, Cole? You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. Model on. Nice.
Yeah.
Now we picked these up because one time before we were there and we bought them for me and Tammy, but the kids didn't have, we didn't have their sizes. But these were $3.99, less 25% off, which made these $3 a piece. Super cool deal.
Cool little Mickey shirt.
That's right. And then finally, we got a set of pins that we traded for at the event. Let me show these to you. Super sweet. We were able to pick these up. A friend of ours did a store pickup, and then when we got there, we had some pins they wanted, so we traded for these. And then that goes with that's the February set, and this was the January set. So super excited about that. Y'all don't forget, subscribe and hit that like button. When we hit 150 subscribers, we're giving away this pin right here. And then for our 200 subscriber giveaway, when we hit there, we're going to give away January's Minnie's Main Attraction set.
Yeah,
and so we have an extra one of those to give away.
Yeah, so like, comment, and share the video. Especially share. That'll help get more subscribers.
That's right. Share it up. All right. And we appreciate you guys going along the journey with us. And until next time, from our house to yours.